Hello, how to write the sound B. Welcome to Mrs. Ezebuchi's class. How are you doing? Wow, I can see that. Well, I'm super good. Can you see? Okay, so today we're gonna be saying our sound, the one we've written and the one we're about to write now. So we're gonna be writing the sound B. Good, but before we do that, if you are new to this channel, please tell mommy and daddies to subscribe to this channel. Do you love Mrs. Ezebuchi? Okay, so give this video a like and please subscribe. Okay, thank you very much. So here we go. We have learned how to write the sound right? And also we learned how to write our numbers. So if you're new to this channel, kindly go to the channel, go to the description box here, and I have dropped the link on how to write the numbers. So today we're going to be learning to write the sound B. We're going to be learning to write the sound B. Beautiful. Okay, so today I'm going to be showing you this is what A and this is what B, right? Good job. So I want us to say our sounds from A to Z. Can we go? 1, 2, go. A, B, K, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, A, V, W, X, Y, and Z, like the bumblebee. Okay, so I'm gonna be doing some random ones. What sound is this? Amazing. The sound what? P. Good job. Okay, so what sound is this? Amazing, children. What sound is this? The kicking K. Good job. This is a kicking K. Okay, what sound is this? Like the van. Good job. And what sound is this? Zzz, the sound of the bumblebee. And I said the last time, the Q is a very shy person, and it always moving along with its friend, the U sound. So it comes together to make one sound called Qu. Good job again. Qu. Good job. What sound is this? R, like your rag or your rabbit. Good. And what sound is there? The sound T, T, T. Beautiful. Okay, what sound is this? The sound like mommy's meal is so delicious. Good job. So what about this sound? Good. Like the apple, right? But today we're gonna be looking at the sound B. We're gonna be looking at the sound B. Good. So where can we find the sound B? Good job. In the word ball. Like what? Ball. Good job. We can also find it where? Wow, the school bus. So we also have the word bus. Good job. Amazing. I'm super proud of you. Where else can we find the sound B? The food we eat. We have beans. We also have what? Bread. Amazing. So you watch the screen now, and we're going to see pictures along that has the sound word And when you see it, I want you to mention the sound b, like bus, b, like what? Ball, b, like bread, b, like bake, b, like what? Beans. Good. We also have b, like the bed you sleep. What about the bird that flies? B, bird. Good job. Amazing. I'm super proud of you. So we have lots of what? Words that you're already familiar with. So you're going to see them, see the pictures. Good job. Okay, so over here, before we go on to write a sound b, can you tell me how to write the sound a? A back curve, go up, down the same line, and make a loop. Do you know I'm so super proud of you? Good job. So remember, if you're new to this video, go down and watch this way to write the video on how to write the sound a, right? Okay, so I want to remind you of the two curves, okay? So this is what we call a curve. We use this for number 2 and we use this for number 3. But today we looked at what R went on this way, a back curve. So we had go up, down, and make a loop. That was what we did. A back curve, go up, down, and make a loop. Good job. So, but today we're going to be writing the sound, the letter sound word b. And I'm going to show you. It's very, very easy. So here we go. So remember to go grab your marker, your bird, your marker, or your book, and your pencil, okay? Because we're going to be writing a lot. Okay, so let's go. So how to write the sound b? The first thing you do is stroke down. Don't take your pencil or your marker off. Go up to the middle and a curve. Did you see that? Did you see that? Let's do it again. A stroke down, up to the middle, and a curve. One to go. A stroke down, up to the middle, and a curve. You close it up, curve, right? One to go again. A stroke down, up to the middle, and a curve. One to go again, stroke down, up to the middle, and a curve. Please do not do this. Don't do this. Otherwise, you won't be able to connect the dots. If I say, if you do this, stroke down, and this is what you're going to be doing, and it's not looking beautiful, right? It's not looking tush like a clap. So we're going to do it responsibly. Like we're going to do this because we are responsible children. We're going to do stroke down, up to the middle, and a curve. Did you see that? I didn't do this. Did I do this? Take my hands off and then I'm coming back here? No. This is bad, and we don't want to write in a bad way because we're good children, right? Okay, so let's go. One to go. We're gonna do it first. Let me close my marker. So we're going to do it first in the air. Want to go? A stroke down, up to the middle, and a curve. Okay, stroke down, up to the middle, and a curve. Again, stroke down, up to the middle, and a curve. Good job. So let's do that again. Want to go? A stroke down, up to the middle, and a curve. Again, stroke down, up to the middle, and a curve. Again, stroke down, up to the middle, and a curve. Again, stroke down, up to the middle, and a curve. Again, stroke down, up to the middle, and a curve. Again, stroke down, up to the middle, and a curve. Good job. Again, stroke down, up to the middle, and a curve. Again, stroke down, up to the middle, and a curve. Again, can you see this here? So I'm going to hold it this way, okay? So want to go stroke down, up to the middle, and a curve. Again, stroke down, up to the middle, and a curve. Good job. Again, stroke down, up to the middle, and a curve. Again, stroke down, up to the middle, and a curve. One more time, we're good. Stroke down, up to the middle, and a curve. One to go. Stroke down, up to the middle, and a curve. Again, stroke down, up to the middle, and a curve. One last one. Stroke down, up to the middle, and a curve. Beautiful. I'm super proud of you. Now I want you to understand that B is an ascending letter. So you can see the leg is very, very tall, right? So that's why I wanted to go up. Then you take a stroke down, right? Then up to the middle of your line and make a curve, right? Because it is an ascender. Please watch here. I don't want you to do a very short stroke down like this. I don't want this. I don't want this. No. No, the hand must go up because it is an ascending letter. Okay, when I teach you handwriting, you would understand why this is going to go up, because it is an ascender. Okay, so let's see it again. Don't do this. Do not do this. No, this is wrong. You need to show the hand. So you do a stroke down, then go up to the middle, stop there, and put a curve. So the hand is showing, right? That's why I need you to do this way. It is an ascending letter. It's going up, right? So let's go again. Stroke down, up to the middle, and a curve. Okay, so this is amazing. Now I want you to do yours. I'm going to say the formations. Want to go? Stroke down, up to the middle, and a curve. Good job. Again, stroke down, up to the middle, and a curve. Again, stroke down, up to the middle, and a curve. One more time. Stroke down, up to the middle, and a curve. Beautiful. Give yourself a tush clap. Roll it up, tush, and let it go down. Beautiful. Okay, so now we've learned how to write the sound B. We're going to know how to write. We're going to write two sounds now, because when you're saying your sound, the first sound you want to say is what? Ah. And we have learned how to write the sound ah. So let's go. Want to go? How do we write ah? A back curve, go up, down the same line, and make a loop. Did you see that? After ah comes what? B. Good job. Let's go. A stroke down, up to the middle, and make and a curve. Good job. So let's go. Want to go again? How do we write R? Because it's here. Let's go. A back curve, go up, down the same line, and make a loop. Beautiful. Now let's write the after R is what? B. Let's go. A stroke down, up to the middle, and a curve. Good job. So we're going to write it again. Let's start again and write R. Want to go? A back curve, go up, down the same line, and make a loop. Good job. Now let's write the sound B. A stroke down, go up to the middle, and a curve. Good job. One more time. Let's write R again. A back curve, go up, down the same line, and make a loop. And let's write B. One to go. A stroke down, go up to the middle, and a curve. Beautiful. Mrs. Ezebuchi is super proud of you. I'm gonna give you a super clap. Roll, clap. Super, because you're a superstar, right? Good job. Okay, so I need you to do this at home. Practice, because I'm coming in the next video where we're going to have the sound, how to write the letter sound word, because after A, B, the next is what? Right? So we're going to learn that in the next video. But before the next video, I want you to please go on and practice. You have to learn how to practice R and B before the next video. And I would really, really love to see your work. So I have an email where you can reach me. It's down in the description below, right? So you can tell mommy and daddy to give me a picture of your work and send to me, and I will be super, super proud of you. Okay, so till then, please remember to subscribe to this YouTube channel. Remember to like if you need more educational videos. If you love Mrs. Ezebuchi, share this video with your friends, give a like, and please subscribe. Okay, so till then, see you in our next video. And what sound is this again? B. Good job. Where can this be found? What word? B. Bus. Good. Bread. Amazing. Bird. Wow. Whoa, did you just say the beak of a bird? Amazing. Oh my goodness, I love that. Okay, all right, so I'm super proud of you, and watch the next video. Okay, I'm going to show you now. Please don't stop. I'm going to show you a surprise of all the sound, all the pictures of where we can find the word, the sound word B. Okay, all right, so have an amazing time. Bye. Good job.